Hello, this is group 1. In group 1 we are 6 members. I am Marcia Chien. We also have Douglas Momani. We have Christine Opio, Lensa Chien, Kezito Patricia, and Irina Nyango. So under these we were doing a project underwater conservation through drip irrigation. So the title was Growing Vegetables Using Water Conservation Structure. The project undertaken was planting of kales using drip irrigation as water conservation structure. It was undertaken to conserve water that was being used or wasted in college community. Under this project, we had college community members who offered assistance. We had Stella Shikuku, who is our chief principal, who provided site and also offered overall coordination during the project. We have Mr. Luke Uera, Bill Clinton. Those are our agriculture teachers who provided guidance and assistance where necessary. We have Mr. Adiambo Ambrose, who is our storekeeper, who provided us with the tools and equipment. We have Kevin Odhiambo, who is the nursery attendant, gave us seedlings for planting. We have Grace Atieno, college security, offered security during the project. So what struck the community members' mind during the project identification was the need of taking care of the environment or conserving it. So the situation at the project site before project was that the land was bare, empty, and bushy. But after the project, it was now agriculturally underused and its authentic value increased. So the different, we have the group, our group has, as compared to when it started, is that it gained better problem solving skills under agriculture, and also we developed values like unity, love, and responsibility. Community members also responded to our project, and their responses were felt. They were appreciative by the initiative that we made, and we also used to fulfill when we took the project. What attracted the community members to be part of the project which directly affect them, is because of the idea of the drip irrigation. The college community have learned about themselves during identification, the problem identification, planning, and implementation of the project. What we also learned is that we are now competent and we are able to solve environmental problems that affect us. So we are now different from other groups in that we are now faster, we can work efficiently without delaying, and compared to other groups where they were having arguments, lack of cooperation, and other that the connection. Now when we are looking at this project, it has connection to other learning areas. Like in maths, we do measurements. So when we were doing this project, we could measure the spaces that we will use to plant seedlings. In home science, we also do cleaning environment. When we are collecting the water bottles, we were helping in achieving the cleanliness of the environment. In CRE, we also have the topic of taking care of creation. Plants are part of creation, so when we are taking care of them by weeding and also adding manures, we are completing that, we are achieving the competency. So we've learned about community issues when we are doing this project, and we have realized that they are workable and can be solved. So when we come across this project, even in future, there's things we will do, like fencing. We will fence the site. We will spray pesticides to help control pests which can invade the farm under project. We also we also, okay, we have said we'll do fencing, spray pesticide, and collect the materials that we'll use during drip irrigation, like bottles and any other and equipment used for planting the seedlings. So the project also took us under different experiences. So we had the best experience and the worst. The best experience is that we gained the knowledge, skills that we'll use even in future to undertake agricultural processes using conservation method, agricultural methods. We also have, okay, when I go to bad experience that we saw is that when we were working, there were constant rain. Uh, the rain could stop, come, so this hindered our participation. Another thing we could do that was seen were conflict we had during the project and what caused it. The conflict was just scrambling for equipment, tools. So like jembes, all the groups needed them. So there were not enough. So the agriculture teacher came in and helped us with other tools and like jembes. So the experience on the project applied to other situations in our lives. So we learned that we are able to plant even during the dry season. So the next step after the project we'll do is to guide the community in identifying more sites in the community that they can utilize for agriculture, and also sensitizing them on the importance on conservation using water conservation structure. Thank you.